In last class you understood well about the types of the basically definition and meaning of the sentence in part of the sentence which I explained before you, that were the subject and the predicate. I hope you understood well. So welcome once again in today's class, which is entirely very correlated with the yesterday's, means in last class. So let's see. Today we are going to learn about the kinds of sentence. My friends, yesterday, means in last class, we discussed and I explained you about the sentence. Sentence means the group of words together which makes the complete sense. It is called as the sentence. So after that, I explain you subject and the predicate. And today, a very important topic, so that is the types and kinds of the sentence. So whenever we kinds of the sentence. So let's see here, kinds of the sentence. We can also types of the sentences. So very first here, assertive sentence. Types of the sentence. There are the four kinds of the sentence. Types of the sentence are here. Among them, that assertive sentence is a very important. So that assertive sentence means which sentence have the simple statement. Very simple definition. Don't make the confusion and any kind of the doubt about that, because in examination they ask the question to you on this types of the sentence. Find out the whether the identify the assertive sentence. Otherwise, find out the assertive sentence from the passage. Otherwise, they may be ask you identify the types of the sentence. So that time you have to be write very clearly. So let's see here, the assertive sentence means the simple statement. For example, he is writing a letter. He plays a cricket. Radha writes a letter. Simple sentences, which are the simple general sentences. That assertive sentence also is called as a declarative sentence. One important thing. Sometimes they ask declarative sentence. So don't be confused. So that declarative sentence and the assertive sentence, both sentences are the same. Assertive sentence also is known as a declarative sentence. So example I have given to you. Let's see, look at to the board here. Kedar is playing in the garden. So in this sentence, Kedar is the subject and the rest of the topic are the predicate. That is what I explained in last class. So in this sentence, Kedar is the subject and is playing in the garden. This is the predicate in the sentence. Monica works hard. Monica is the subject and works hard. This is the predicate. So important thing which we have to keep in our memory, that about the assertive sentence. Every time assertive sentence begin with the subject. Let's see here. Assertive sentence, significance, and assertive sentence means suppose we have to be put some dimension of the assertive sentence. So important dimension, important features, important about the assertive sentence, that assertive sentence begin with the subject. This is very important. Many sentences are there, but assertive sentence, every assertive sentence begin with the subject. Let's see here, Kedar is playing in the garden. Monica works hard. Both sentences are begin with the subject. Without subject, assertive sentence, we cannot say it is assertive sentence. Okay. So assertive sentence begin with the subject and end with the full stop. And which have the subject and the predicate. This is the common thing. Okay. So this is the assertive sentence, first types of the sentence. So then, my friends, assertive sentence have the two types, which are the very important. Let's see here. First is the affirmative sentence. Rekha likes reading. Affirmative. This is the affirmative sentence. She likes to read. This is the affirmative. And another type of the assertive is negative sentence. Rekha does not like reading. Let's see here, difference between the two sentences. Rekha likes reading. She is giving the positive. Means we can understand the positive thing by the Rekha. She likes to reading. But in second sentence, Rekha does not like reading. She does not like reading. This is a negative. Not is here. So it shows that negativity about the reading. So these are the two types of the assertive sentence, affirmative and negative. We are studying today types of the sentence. Assertive sentence. Assertive sentence means simple statement. Important feature of the assertive sentence is that it begin with the subject and end with the full stop. Assertive sentence have the two types, and among them first is the affirmative sentence and second one is the negative sentence. Okay, I hope my friends you understood well. Now after this assertive sentence, next type of the sentence is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence have interrogative sentence. Second types of the sentence is interrogative sentence. Very simple to identify this sentence, interrogative, because whenever we ask the question to anyone, for example, who are you? Question mark. Are you going to Nagpur? Nagpur. Let's look at to the board. Who are you? Are you going to Nagpur? Means that Nagpur should be capital. Nagpur. So that interrogative sentence asks the question in the sentence. Important feature of this sentence is this, that every time begin with the WH word, helping verb. Helping verb is this. This is the helping verb. Are you going to Nagpur? Are you going to school? What is your name? Who are you? Where are you? Where do you live? Like that. That sentence begin with the WH words. WH word means which? Means generally which words we use to ask the question to others. Example: what, where, whom, which, when, how. These are the WH questions. Okay, but among them another words also are there, that are the are, am, is, are, was, where, do, does. That also helping words we use to ask the question. For example, let's see here. Do you like? Do you like the English? Let's see here. First begin with the WH question word, that is the who. Second begin with the are helping verb, and third one also begin with the helping verbs. Do you like the English? So this is the interrogative sentence. Every sentence begin with the WH word or the helping verb and end with the question mark. This is important sign of this sentence is question mark. In the first sentence we have seen that full stop, but that the beginning of the sentence was subject, and here is the different. Means that interrogative sentence begin with the WH word and helping word and end with the question mark. This is the identity of the interrogative sentence. Again we can add some things in the interrogative. Interrogative sentence have the different types. That is the special part of the interrogative sentence, because there are the WH question, yes no type question, rhetorical question. Many questions means many types of the interrogative are there. So that I will be see in later on when we will finish that all the related topic to particular types of the sentence. So I hope today you understood well the two types of the sentence. Actual here are the four types of the sentence are here. Among them today we understood first is the assertive sentence and second one is the interrogative sentence. Assertive sentence have the two types, that is the affirmative and that is the negative. And same in interrogative sentence also have the different types, but means actually when we write, sometimes we ask the question negatively and positively. For example, let's see, why do you take part in the competition? For example, why do you take part in the sports? Take sports. Let's see, why do you take part in the sports? So this is the interrogative sentence. So this is the why do you take part in the sports? This is the affirmative. This is, we can say that the affirmative sentence. Which kind of the affirmative sentence means positive or the negative. That both things are there. Positive sentence, negative sentence, and as we have seen in the assertive sentence, which sentence have the simple statement, they have the two types, affirmative and the negative. So interrogative also have these two types. Means same here, why do you take part in sports? And also we can say that why don't you take part in the sports? So let's see here. Here is the positive and here is the negative. Here is the positive and here is the negative. Means this also is the questions, interrogative questions, types question we ask to others, by the positively, by the negatively also. So my friends, I hope you understood well today about the assertive sentence and interrogative sentence. Two types of the sentence are remain left, and that are the imperative and the exclamatory sentence. So imperative sentence and exclamatory sentence I will explain you in the next class. I hope you understood well. Please try to understand by this explanation, and please like and subscribe this my YouTube channel Ruksha Academy. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.